Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can check your Spotify Wrapped for 2023. It's a new thing. It usually comes at the end of the year every year. So for this year, the Wrapped has come through. If you're unable to see it, if you open up your Spotify app, it should show you a pop-up with your Spotify Wrapped for 2023. If it doesn't, first thing you can do is to just update your app from the Play Store or the App Store, depending on your phone. And after updating your app, it should show you a pop-up with your Spotify Wrapped. Now, the other thing which you can do, or the other way to get it, is to go to this link here, which is spotify.com/us/wrapped, and then it shows you your wrapped version over here, as in the form of different stories, so you can move forward. It gives you all the details about your Spotify wrapped, so you can just just browse this, and somewhere over here in one of the stories, let me show you, in this one, your top 23 songs, it gives you the option to add it to your library. It is grayed out for me. If we go back, it is grayed out for me, but because I've already added that. However, you can do that, and I will add all the songs, all your favorite songs from 2023 to your library as well. So that is also a good feature. So you can just go through all these stories, and then towards the end of it, at the last one, it gives you your Spotify wrap, which you can then, it gives you the option to share it as well. Now I'm showing this to you on a PC, but you could do the same thing. You can open up the same link on your phone in a browser as well, and this way it can, you can get your Spotify wrap for 2023. And then once you've added, you can listen to on Spotify, so you can just listen to the songs. If you click on this, it will take you to the app if you're on the phone, or it will just open up within the browser if it is a PC or a laptop. So that's how you can get your Spotify wrapped, or how you can actually check it or see it on online as well, if you're not getting the pop-up on your mobile app. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.